Tokyo DisneySea is widely considered the most beautiful theme park on the planet. The attention to detail is unmatched. The food is incredible, and the thrill rides are legendary. But greatness comes with a price. Massive crowds, crushing heat, and wait times that can easily eat up 2 hours of your day for a ride that takes less than 4 minutes. But what if I told you hidden in the back of the park, inside the Arabian Coast, lies a ride that is widely considered by Disney purists to be the greatest modern dark ride in the entire world. A ride with 0 lines, maximum comfort, and an emotional heart so big it just might make you cry. Today, we are counting down the top 5 reasons why Sindbad's Storybook Voyage is the absolute best dark ride on Earth. Number 5. The ultimate air-conditioned escape. Let's start with a pure survival tip. Depending on when you visit Japan, the weather can be brutal. Summers are notoriously hot and humid, while winters can bite right through your jacket. After hours of walking across the massive DisneySea property, physical exhaustion is real. Sindbad is the ultimate climate-controlled sanctuary. The entire queue and ride experience takes place inside a massive, heavily air-conditioned show building. The moment you step through those doors, the temperature drops, the air cools, your energy instantly starts to return. It is the perfect stress-free oasis to recharge your battery. Number 4. The unbeatable 5-minute wait time. A world-class dark ride easily commands an hour-long wait, but Sindbad possesses a superpower. It is a high-capacity, high-throughput boat ride. Because the boats are massive and constantly moving, the line never stops. Each of these giant boats can carry up to 24 people per ride. That massive capacity means the ride eats through crowds effortlessly. On a day when nearby rides are pushing a 2-hour wait, Sindbad sits comfortably at a mere 5 minutes. In fact, most of the 5 minutes is just the time it takes to walk through the empty queue to the boat. You can walk right on, step into a boat, and immediately start relaxing without burning a single minute of your precious park day. Number 3. Maximum ride time for minimum wait. Nothing is more frustrating than waiting 2 hours for a ride that ends in 90 seconds. But Sindbad offers the ultimate ride-to-wait ratio, clocking in at nearly 10 full minutes long. It is merely double the length of a standard Disney dark ride like Peter Pan's Flight or Pooh's Honey Hunt. Think about the math. You wait for 5 minutes, and you get 10 minutes of pure, uninterrupted, world-class Disney magic. The scale of this ride is absolutely massive. It features over 100 incredibly fluid, expressive audio animatronics spread across giant, beautifully lit rooms. You're getting an epic, long-form theatrical experience for 0 effort. Number 2. Chandu the Tiger and the Heartwarming Story. Traditional stories of Sindbad the Sailor are full of violence, monsters, and terrifying battles. But Tokyo DisneySea did something brilliant. They flipped the script. In this version, Sindbad isn't fighting monsters. He's befriending them through kindness, music, and mutual respect. And he does it all with the help of his incredibly adorable tiger pup companion, Chandu. Chandu is quite simply one of the greatest characters Disney has ever created. He steals every scene he is in. He is so fiercely loved by fans that he became an official park mascot with his own massive line of merchandise. Watching Chandu's playful antics throughout this wholesome journey gives the ride an emotional, heartwarming core that few other attractions can match. Number 1. the masterpiece soundtrack by Menken. Everything we've talked about builds up to this final ultimate reason. What elevates Sindbad from a great ride to a transcendent masterpiece is its legendary soundtrack. In the mid-2000s, Disney brought in true Disney royalty, Menken, the multi-Oscar-winning genius behind the music of Aladdin, The Little Mermaid, and Beauty and the Beast. He wrote an exclusive original anthem for this ride called Compass of Your Heart. Now look, we want to keep this video completely clean of copyright flags, so we can't actually play the track for you right here. But trust us when we say it is an absolute masterpiece. It is powerful, uplifting, and a total earworm that stays in your head for days. But don't worry, we got you covered. If you want to experience this incredible soundtrack exactly how it sounds on the ride, we made an incredibly beautiful full 4K sail-through of the entire ride with the full audio completely intact. Click the link on your screen right now or check the pinned comment below to watch that sail-through as soon as this video ends. Sindbad's storybook voyage doesn't need a thrilling drop or lightning-fast launch to be unforgettable. With a 10-minute runtime, ice-cold air conditioning, 0 wait times, and an adorable sidekick, and a legendary Menken soundtrack, it stands alone as the perfect theme park attraction. It is, without a doubt, the best dark ride in the world. Next time you find yourself at Tokyo DisneySea, do yourself a favor. Skip the 2-hour line down the road, head to the Arabian Coast, and let your own inner compass guide you onto this masterpiece. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments if you have ridden Sindbad, and tell us your favorite Chandu moment. Don't forget to check out our full 4K walkthrough video. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.